Hi, welcome to the session today, Shivam. So how are you?
I'm fine right now. I have healed myself uh, for getting help from you. So I'm feeling uh, much better today because you did with me now before 4 days ago. You did with me the NLP technique. Uh, After that, you did with me the child, what we say,
Well,
child
childhood.
inner child healing technique. And after that, now, my weight is, I told you, I have too much weight, I have the stress, I don't know why it is happened. So, after that, now, it's starting to release weight.
Right
And
side.
that, and in today, yes. And today, right now, I'm feeling 70-80% better
Mm.
in only 4 days. And I'm not remembering too much things about my past, about my that particular,
Okay.
um, already what I want to say.
Mhm.
So I'm stopping overthinking. Not too much, but a little bit it's coming again and again, but not too much. I'm not too much overthinking. That's why I'm focusing on other activities, and nothing is coming in my mind, and I'm not in the that situation.
Mhm.
It means
So what is one
you,
big result that what is a big change that you feel in yourself? Like one
uh,
incident which you think is like a very huge difference in you, which was not there earlier, and now it is there.
yes. I'm now feeling stable.
Mm.
Stable means I was not a stable mind. It means I'm overthinking again and again about my past, but I'm right now I am not stuck in my past. I'm stuck in my past little bit, not the I'm not thinking too much about my past. Little bit things are coming in my mind, but not too much.
Mhm.
Before uh, 4 days ago,
Mm.
I was thinking too much about that, and I don't know, and I didn't see anything in my life. Only that particular part is coming in front of me, and I'm again feeling stuck. I was stuck in that part, and
Mm.
I'm feeling depression, stress, and headache. Too much weight on here. But
Mm.
right now, uh, I'm feeling much better. It means I'm focusing on my mind in other activity, and nothing is coming in my mind. It's coming. It means it is coming in my mind, but not too much. So it helps me a lot. The NLP technique you did with me. So it's very amazing technique I have seen. I have experience. Uh, Apart from the Hope Nook, no, Hope Nook is also working on me. Hope Nook is also healing me. But NLP gives me a more
When we go
relief.
deep into your childhood trauma and when we do the entire energy cleaning, it helped you a lot. I mean, it helped you to come out
Yes,
of
yes,
the
sir.
stuckness that you had. Hmm?
Yes.
Hmm.
So I'm not only I'm also doing on myself Hope Nook no
So are
EFT
you
technique.
practicing like, I mean, when I take the class for you, I give you certain assignments. So when you go home, do you practice it?
Yes. That is why I'm getting result.
Results. Yeah, because it's very important. Like, because in the session, I can take for half an hour, 1 hour, I can teach you, I can take you through the uh, entire session for 1 hour or half an hour, right? But the more you practice, because like how it happens in school, like the more we practice, like if a teacher has given us a table, if we repeat it again
Mhm.
and again, it becomes very ingrained in our system, right? So it's the same way. This is
Yes,
also
sir.
like a study. There's no,
Mhm.
it's not going to be overnight magic or anything. You know, we have to practice
Mhm.
ourselves for making ourselves a better version of who we are. So thank you very much for being
Mm-hmm.
such a good student, because it's very important for me to get results for you. And you have to
Mm-hmm.
contribute 100%, you know, so that you get better results, right?
Yes, yes, yes,
Thank you. All right. So I'm really great that these techniques that we are doing, it's really helping you. And I can see a lot of difference
yes,
even
yes.
from the day you have joined, from the first day. Maybe you would have, because I told you to take your own picture, you must have taken it, right? So
Mm-hmm.
in the recordings, we will have your photo. You can go and see by yourself. There's a lot of difference in how you used to look then and now, you know, and
Mm-hmm.
in your voice and everything. And there's a kind of composure and posture, I'm able to
Yes,
feel,
yes, yes.
you know,
And
earlier.
I'm also doing. I'm not only doing the hope note no and the NLP technique. I'm also doing the our spiritual techniques. Like I'm reading the Hanuman Chalisa.
Okay.
I'm daily going to the Hanuman and I'm
That is
reading
your
also the.
religious belief. See, that is your religious belief. But apart from that, because see, all of us, we have certain religious beliefs. But apart from that, the techniques that we are using, that should be very profound so that it helps you. Right?
Yes, 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 yes. But the NLP technique, na, you did with me the washing my brain. What we say about this technique, NLP technique.
Yeah, removing the past memories, you know.
Removing the past memories. When we did na first time, after that, na, I immediately sleeping a lot, and I don't even know how I was sleeping immediately, quickly, and because of these techniques, I don't know. It's released lots of weight, released lots of past thinking. That is why I'm sleep. I was sleep.
You were able
I
to
had
sleep
slept
well.
very, very, very well, and from that day I'm feeling much better daily again and again.
Yeah, you sent me a
Not
message that you slept for 11 hours.
yes, 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 yes. After so long time, I have slept 11 hours.
Yeah, so it means your the weight of the past memories was too heavy that it was not letting you sleep because your brain was
Yes,
continuously
yes.
functioning, right?
Continuously thinking
Mm.
for on this
To pilot.
particular part. Yes, 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 yes. So NLP techniques, it helps me a lot. And I, I, whenever I overthink again and again, and then I'm using this
Mm.
technique, and it
Okay.
helps me a lot.
So are
And
you
it's
also
stopping
going?
my,
Mm-hmm. So are you also
and
going
it,
to the recordings that I'm giving you? Because like I told you, after we do the session once or twice, if you see those recordings, it will help you more. So are you doing that also?
yes, one or two times I did. I watched our session,
Mm.
but after that, mm, uh, I'm not opening your our the
Okay.
session. But
Okay. But then how
I'm
it's
doing
helping you?
I'm regularly doing exercise what you gave me.
Good. Okay. Okay. So
Yes, yes.
whatever I
That's
have
why
told
it's
you,
helped me
you
a lot.
are doing it mentally and then it's helping you to release.
Yes, 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 yes.
Nice. All right. So let's begin today's session. I will stop the recording here and then we will start with today's session.